Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is 草. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读草吃嗷嗷 You must become bigger to small. 嗷 Together, 吃嗷草 Pay attention. These words cannot read to the first tone. It's not a good word. So third tone. 草 Okay, let's write it. 我们一起写横竖撇竖横折横竖 If you look 草 you will find it's two parts. One part is this one and another part, do you remember we learned this one before? It's 早 morning is meaning 早 so grass 早草 it means grass green grass 绿色的草 small grass 小草 Okay, now Sunny will teach you a special use of 草 If you want to say a guy is the better looking one in the school or in a classroom, how you say it? In Chinese, we can say the better looking guy in school, we say 校草 校 means school, right? 校草 And the better looking guy in classroom, we say 班草班草 So we find range plus a 草 If somebody uses this word to describe you or describe somebody, it means the person is the better looking guy in this range. Okay, let's all about 草 If you liked this video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.